Hello everyone, welcome to Dishery channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make spicy red pasta. The ingredients we need are pasta, onions, tomato, capsicum, carrot, green chilli, coriander leaf, oil, ginger garlic paste, chilli powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, chili flakes, salt and water. In a pan, let's add 4 cups water, 2 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt and finally let's add the pasta. Now let us wait for the water to come to boil. Once it comes to boil, cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, don't overcook the pasta. Let's check the pasta by cutting with knife. Once the pasta gets easily cut with the knife, then the pasta is cooked. Once the pasta is cooked, let's strain them. I have also made the tomatoes into paste. In a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of oil and the chopped onions into it. Once the onions are cooked, let's add the green chilli into it. At the next step, I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste and the chili flakes into it. Chili flakes are totally optional. Now, let's add the carrots into the mixture. They gives you a good flavor. Now, let's add the chopped capsicum into it. Stir them continuously and wait until they get cooked. As we have added capsicum, green chilli and chili flakes, when we add chili powder, add according to your taste. Now the capsicum and the carrots have been cooked well. Now let's add the tomato paste into the mixture. Stir them continuously and wait until the tomato paste gets cooked. Now we can see the mixture have been cooked well. Now let's add pepper powder into the mixture and stir them well. Now let us add the garam masala powder, chilli powder, salt and ketchup into the mixture and stir them well. Stir them well until it loses the raw consistency from it. Now let's add a little water to make the mixture into a gravy consistency. Now I'm going to add the coriander leaf from the chopped one to get a little flavor from it. Now I have added the pasta into the mixture. Let's stir it well and continuously to make the pasta get covered by the masala. Now let's add a little cheese for the flavor. This step is optional. For the final garnishing, I'm going to add the coriander leaves that I've chopped. Now the dish is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.